All right, we're doing a fluid change for a 2009 Silverado LT, four-wheel drive, 5.3 liter engine, front differential. Let's go. All right, differential's all done. I just did the back yesterday, did the front today. One thing I want to show you guys real quick is this oil here. It looks silver. So if you look at this, it's got a very metallic consistency. Very much needed to be changed. It's kind of like crazy. It's basically like metal. So it was very much overdue to be changed. I can't believe it. It's like straight up gray. It's not anyway, subscribe for the next video. Aloha.